Welcome to EasyKnowHow. Instagram has finally made it possible to make reels longer than 60 seconds. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to make longer reels. Now, let's get started. Create longer reels on Instagram. First, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open Instagram and tap the plus sign at the top. Select Reel Now. Tap Length on the left. This will open a menu with video length options. You can choose to make the length of your reel 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds until 90 seconds is currently the maximum length for Reels videos. Once you've selected your video length, you can go ahead and record your reel as normal. Previously, the maximum length was only 60 seconds. But Instagram recently added the 90-second option to allow for longer reels. We hope this will expand more in the future with even longer length options. That's all it takes to create longer reels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel EasyKnowHow. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.